Hey everyone, it's Sebastian Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, we're gonna go over the Facebook Autopost. So here I am in the back office, and since I don't have the Autopost tool, I'm gonna go to Customize, and I'm gonna click on Social Media, and I'm gonna scroll down a little bit. There we go, Autopost, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add it. All right. Now I'm gonna go back to the dashboard, and I should be scroll down a little bit, and then there it is. Now we're ready to get started. So here we are inside the Autopost tool, and so we have two options: Account Manager and Schedule Posts. So since this is the first time I go in to the tool, if I go to the schedule post and I try to schedule something, I don't have an account set up. So the first thing you gotta do is we're gonna go to the account manager and connect our account. So we're gonna add a new account. Right now, Facebook is the only type available. Maybe in the future we have more social media accounts, but for now it's just Facebook. So we're gonna go add, log in with Facebook. So the tool is gonna go into Facebook. It's gonna look for the user that you're logged in as, if you're already logged in. If not, go ahead and log in to your Facebook, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. Here's where you're gonna check the pages that you wanna give access to the tool. So I'm gonna select these three and click next. So the tool is gonna be able to manage your pages, and it's gonna be able to publish as you. So you have to agree or not agree, but anyways, hit done. All right, I'm gonna click this link right here just to get more information. I'm gonna right click on it, so it's gonna open a different page, and I'm gonna hit OK. So now I'm gonna jump over the other page that we just opened, and I just want to show you that the integrations that we have now are, the Autopost is the one I just put in, and then the auto answer I had before, and it's telling me that I have 8 active. Now I'm back to the tool, and even though the Facebook is connected, I have to add a page. So I'm gonna click on add a new page. Here's the 3 pages that I selected earlier that I gave the tool access, and let's say I'm gonna just go to the Bay Nation, and now it's ready and available for me to start scheduling posts. So this little icon right here is just a color. You can just select the color. You're gonna see it on the calendar later, and it's gonna be with that color. That way, if you have like multiple pages, it'll be easier to see, according to the color. So the next option that we have is we're gonna go ahead and go to schedule. We're gonna schedule a post. So today's Friday. I'm gonna go and create a post. They call it rules. So I got rule. So let's create a rule. So it's just a test rule, and the account is gonna be the BA Nation. And right now it's 12:18 a.m. I can set it up to go right away. I'm gonna set it up to like a couple of minutes away. That way I have time to set it up. And so let's type something over here. So this is a test post from Builderall Facebook Autopost, and we can add videos or images. So let's go ahead and just put an image out there. And I got an image here. Let's do this one. And we got 1 minute left, so it's gonna at 12:20 the system is gonna upload that post. And so here's the color I mentioned earlier. That way when you have a lot of posts and a lot of pages, it's easy to see. So I'm gonna go back to the Facebook, the BA Nation page, and right now I'm gonna refresh real quick. So it's 12:19 at the moment, and we don't see the post yet. So I just wanted to show you that, that post is not there yet. So let me refresh the page, and the post should be there. All right, and there it is. Is the post that we with the picture that we selected, and so as you see up here, it says published by Autopost. Only the admin of the page can see that. So I'm gonna show you. So if I go and look at the page as a visitor, so right now I'm looking at it as a visitor. I can see, I scroll down, I can see the post, but it doesn't say that it was posted by a tool or anybody else. So it's just a regular post, and it looks perfect. So I'm gonna go back, and I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the tool. So now back in the tool, earlier, so we just added one page, so we can go ahead and add more pages. So let's go add this one. I'm gonna change the color so it's a little bit different, easier to see. And then another page, maybe this one, and let's give it another color also. Just make it yellow. All right, so we got purple, bluish color, and then yellow. So I'm gonna go into the BA Nation to schedule it, and up here is gonna tell you that I'm inside the BA Nation page. So when I go and schedule something, and if I try to change the account from here, it's not gonna work. So you go here, and I'm gonna add this rule, and it's not gonna work. Like, you're not gonna see it because you picked a different page, and you inside of this one. So if you go back to the accounts and you go to schedule, so now you're inside all accounts. Now you see the post that you just made. So sometimes it's a little tricky. You might get confused because you add a post and, oh man, it's not anywhere. But if you go back to all accounts, then you'll see them all. And so let me give you an example. I'm gonna go back into accounts, and I'm gonna go into the Florida network. So it should be this color green, and as you see, you don't see the yellow anymore because I'm in the Florida networks. So test 3. So this is a post, and there it is. Let's say I'm inside the Florida networks page, and if I try to schedule something for, let's say, the BA Nation, or let's pick for Geo Leads Pro, that should be yellow, and I add the rule, it's not gonna show up because I picked a different page, but I'm inside this page. So what I gotta do, I just gotta go back to the schedule and to show all accounts, and now I can see the both posts. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete those, and that's how you delete it. So if you wanna select them all and then hit delete, or you can delete one by one. Click on the post and hit delete this rule, and I'm gonna delete this too. So now I'm gonna show you the pre-made rules. So by default, the system comes with this 4 pre-written rules. So this one is gonna be for 30 days. So let's check it out. So what it's gonna do, day 1, day 2, and it's gonna have a post for each day. I'm gonna go ahead and import this to the schedule. I can pick the page that I want to import it to. So I'm gonna pick the BA Nation, and I'm gonna hit today, and let's say 2 o'clock, and I'm gonna import. So as you see, he added every post for every single day of the week, and I can go in and see the post. And Builderall already pre-wrote some posts for you. Just make sure that when you do this, scroll down to the bottom and add your own link and your own, the price, the correct pricing. This is the older price. You can go in here and change your, you can delete stuff, change your picture if you want, and then edit the rule. And then now that edited. Now if we go back to the pre-made rules, you can create your own group. So this is my group, and you can add new rules to each day. So for example, so this is for, let's see, post for day 3, and I'm gonna wait 2 days, and add the rule. So as you see, on day 1 it's gonna wait an hour, and then for day 2 it's gonna wait 1 day, and then for day 3 2 days. And then if I import this to the schedule, select 2 o'clock. It's gonna be BA Nation also. Well, I guess I should have picked a different one, but yeah, let's pick a different one again. So I'm gonna select the same group, and I'm gonna import to the schedule, and here it gives me the option. So I'm gonna pick GLE. It's gonna be yellow. Let's pick 3 a.m. import, and there it is. So he added those 3 days as with the yellow, so it means that is the other account. And I can go and delete rules. So that's it. It's very powerful. You can add your pages. You can schedule your posts for the entire week. It's a good idea. Sometimes I sit, maybe two hours, one couple hours in one day, and schedule the entire week of posts. Or sometimes maybe a weekend, and I schedule the entire month. That way, it's on autopilot. You don't have to think about it every day to make sure that you post every single day to your account. In this video, we looked at how to work with the Autopost tool, how to add Facebook accounts to it, and how to schedule posts.